Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy ads and earn through affiliate style promotions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Etsy website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. Now, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button again. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the main menu. Find the Marketing tab in the menu options. Hover over the Marketing tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Etsy Ads. You will be taken to the Etsy Ads dashboard. Here, you can view your current advertising performance. To begin promoting products, click on the Get Started button. Now, select the listings you want to promote via ads. Once you've selected your listings, set your daily budget. This budget determines how much you are willing to spend on advertising. Review your selections and budget carefully. When you're satisfied, click the Submit button to confirm. Your ads will now start running and attracting potential buyers. To earn through affiliate-style promotions, you will need an Etsy affiliate account. Navigate to the Etsy affiliate program page. Click on the Join Now button to start the application process. Fill out the required information in the application form. Submit your application and wait for approval to receive your affiliate link. Once approved, you will gain access to unique affiliate links for products. Use these links in your promotions across your channels. Whenever someone purchases an item through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Focus on creating quality content to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.